I'll talk with Oshim. So as you can see, the boy is very good person. I know that about the Oshim. Okay, Oshim, how are you?
I'm also fine. And your brother?
Oh, I'm so very pretty good today. So, how is your feelings right now today?
Very quiet, please.
Oh, very quiet your feelings right now. Okay, that's great, bro. So you can see lots of different type of plants here. Am I right?
Yes.
It is called. Do you know? It is called.
Yes. Coconut sheet
Okay, mescron.
mascot.
Yes, this is called leaves. Leaves. It's a
But-
very big size. That's all. But so I can see behind you the onion plants.
Yes.
Do you know onion?
Yes, onion.
Okay. So first of all, I will suggest for you. So when you go to the new place, that time you think all the time English. Do you know? English language is a very international language.
Yes.
But that's why you have to learn English. Okay, তোমাকে ইংলিশ শিখতে হবে।
Yes, brother.
I say এটা আমি বলেছি। So, what's your name? তোমার নাম কি?
My name is Oshim.
Oh, how old are you? তোমার বয়স কত?
17 years old.
70 বছর।
And
Okay.
your brother?
Oh, I'm just 22 years old right now. Oh, that's great. So, brother, so which class are you reading?
SSC candidate 2026.
SSC candidate 2026 right now. But your exam is coming towards you. তোমার এই পরীক্ষাটা এগিয়ে আসছে বা তোমার সামনের দিকে পরীক্ষাটি এগিয়ে আসছে 2026 সালে। But right now, this is month is January.
January.
Okay, but when will be starting your exam? তোমার এক্সাম কখন শুরু হতে যাচ্ছে বা হবে?
21 April.
Just 21 April month.
April month.
Oh, okay, that's great, bro. So today you are able to see there are different type of birds. Do you like the birds?
Yes.
তুমি কি পছন্দ করো পাখি?
Yes.
তাহলে তোমার এটা so you should to answer it. তোমার বলা উচিত এটা yes I do. I like birds.
I like.
Okay, so okay, first of all, do you like mustard seed flower?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
I do.
I love
love
mustard seed
mustard.
flower. Or I like mustard seed flower. No problem. So, WS question just okay. So you have to learn. You should to learn. তোমার শেখা উচিত এবং তোমাকে শিখতে হবে। Different
Yes.
type of question for you. এখানে বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রশ্ন তোমার জন্য। Okay.
Yes.
So